Assalamu alaikum. After a long time I didn't post on Facebook. Today I'm gonna share with you some tips how to learn English effectively. Whether you are students in Morocco or Vietnam or elsewhere in the world. Today we have an exciting topic tailored specifically for university students studying English as a major. These 20 pieces of advice will help you learn English effectively, so let's dive in. Tip number 1 is to create a study schedule. Establishing a routine will help you stay organized and dedicated to your English studies. Remember to allocate specific time slots for listening, reading, writing and speaking. So as you know, we have receptive skills and productive skills. Receptive reading and listening, and productive speaking and writing. No. So maybe I need to continue, then I come back. Tip number 2 emphasizes the importance of setting realistic goals. Break down your language learning objectives into smaller, achievable milestones. Celebrate each accomplishment as they will motivate you to progress further. So you go and buy chocolate, go and buy something you enjoy, go and buy something you like, and motivate yourself and celebrate your accomplishments, as I said. Number 3 is to immerse yourself in the English language. Surround yourself with English speaking environments as much as possible. Watch movies, listen to music, and engage with native speakers whenever you can and wherever you go. And nowadays it's very easy to surround yourself with native speakers, or just speak with your classmates at university or outside. Number 4 suggests reading extensively. Dive into a wide range of materials like books, newspapers, blogs, or even ebooks. Reading will enhance your vocabulary, grammar, and overall comprehension skills. As Stephen Krashen said, volunteering reading. You have to go and check and find out about Stephen Krashen, and you are linguistics students, future linguistics students. You're gonna study Stephen Krashen theories, and I advise you to go and find out about this great man, Stephen Krashen. Tip number 5 focuses on developing good listening skills. Make use of podcasts, audiobooks, or English radio stations to improve your ability to hear and understand different accents and spoken English. Tip number 6 is to practice writing regularly. Start a journal, a blog, or participate in online forums to enhance your writing or written expression. So remember that practice makes perfect, as they say. Tip number 7 highlights the importance of speaking confidently. Engage in conversations with your classmates. Don't be scared, don't be afraid, don't be ashamed to speak with your classmates, because you are using a different language than your mother tongue language. Don't be scared. It's okay. It's a language. You just need to communicate. Language is just to communicate with others, to understand and to be understood. That's all. Don't feel embarrassed to communicate with your friends, with your classmates. Join language exchange programs or find a language partner online. Now it's easy to find a partner online on Facebook, Instagram, other platforms, other apps. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's okay. Learning journey, learning process is like that. It's that you have to make mistakes and auto correct. Auto correct yourself. Correct yourself by yourself. That's one of Stephen Krashen's theory. Monitoring. You monitor yourself by yourself. That's all. Now move on to tip number 8. It emphasizes the value of vocabulary expansion. Learn new words daily and use them in context to solidify your understanding. Use flashcards and vocabulary apps. Also can be very helpful and handy tools for this purpose of learning vocabulary and using vocabulary. These are some tips: using flashcards and using vocabulary apps online. They are available online. Just go and type vocabulary apps, flashcards apps, and you will find out a lot. Now go to the tip number 9. Oh, I'm tired. Go to tip number 9. It encourages you to focus on grammar. Personally, I don't like this, because it's okay. Grammar is after years of practice. You're going to require grammar without without efforts. Just go and study grammar and listen a lot. And when you listen a lot, you acquire grammar while you are reading, while you are listening, while you are speaking. You require grammar without paying too much attention to grammar, and study grammar. Study it for short of time and just go and speak. Just go and listen. Just go and read. So no problem with grammar. That's all. Let's go now and move on to tip number 10. It advises you to embrace the technology. Embrace the technology. Utilize language learning apps, online platforms, and interactive websites to practice your English skills. These resources offer a dynamic and engaging learning experience. So go and use them. Go and find what you are familiar with use the app that you like, and go and engage with people. That's the most important thing, is to they call it exposure. Exposure to language means you have to immerse yourself into this river or ocean and go and swim, dive and swim. The first time it's really difficult because you are blocked. You don't know what tense are you going to use. You don't know the vocabulary. Maybe you forgot the vocabulary. And when you are blocked, first time, second time, third time, when you are blocked, you're going to rehearse the word. You're going to retrieve the word, the vocabulary. So we need you to be blocked. We need you to feel like you are blocked and you don't have much vocabulary to use. That's fine. That's okay. You are in the first stage. You are at the first stage. Easy. Take it easy, and don't feel embarrassed. Don't feel shy to use the language. Don't feel shy to call your friend and in English and use the language. Don't feel shy when you are on your way to university. Don't feel shy to talk to your friend in English, because it's look, your perception, your attitude towards language is very important. Language is just a language. It's not a mean of communication. Whether you communicate in Arabic or English or French or Amazigh, doesn't matter. What matters is that you communicate, you understand, and you need to be understood. That's all. I'm living here with people that don't speak the language. They don't speak English, and I don't speak their language. But still, we communicate. I use the body language. They use body language. I use some facial expressions, and they use facial expressions. It's okay, but we transfer the message. We understand the message, and that's the main target, the main objective of communicating. That's all. Don't be ashamed. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's okay. We are not. When you are going to go out from university, you need to use the language as much as you can. I know you when you are in the classroom, you don't use the language because you are only listening to your teacher. I forgot my motorbike. Wait for me. Yeah. Wait for me. I forgot the motorbike. I forgot. Wait for me. I'm going to bring my motorbike. To pick up my motorbike. You know, you have to use all what you have studied. You have to use them. And don't say that learning English is... Oh, where is the motorbike? Learning English is useless and ما كاينش bright future, ما كاينش future opportunities, ما كاينش blah blah blah. No, go and study hard. Your English is so important nowadays. English is so important, and especially if you want to go out from your comfort zone, from your Morocco, from your from your country, it's important. And also, whatever your subject, whether you are literature or scientific subjects like physics or maths or something, you need language. You need the language. You need English. If you want to get higher salary, you need English. French is only used in some countries, few countries. among them Morocco. My motorbike over there. حياة جميلة. My motorbike over here. Okay, goodbye guys, see you again in the next video. I'm going to continue this video